discuss about some addition for young learners and what's a strategy that I can use for addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So this is what I came up with. Okay, you can do this really super simple. You can use sticky notes, okay, if you're at home. You can use index cards. You can use dry erase boards. I think I would stick to get these really quick. I think I would make it a game, especially if you're looking at 1st and 2nd grade. I would use sticky notes and I would post them all over my house and make it like a race. Okay, see, give them 1 minute or 2 minutes, however developed your child is, in a reasonable amount of time. You do want to push them a little bit and tell them, okay, you have 2 minutes to find as many sticky notes and complete the equation and get them right as possible, and come up with some kind of reward system. If you get 3 right, you get a piece of candy. If you get 5 right, you get a popsicle. Make it fun for them. If it is fun for them, they are so much more engaged and more likely to cooperate. Okay, so I put together what I am looking at as circles. Okay, so my whole idea is I want them to come up with an equation. I'm going to give them some numbers, so I've given them a 7 and a 1. But the overall idea is to get them thinking in their head, how do these numbers go together? Okay, so my instructions would be, you're going to find these sticky notes. There's 2 numbers at the bottom, but I want you to come up with your own math addition problem and find the answer. Okay, so I would find my sticky note and I would write 7 plus 1 equals 8 up here. Okay, now they're going to get faster as they get stronger. So if that happens and they've mastered, you went up to 20, great, yay for them. Change it up. Now use the exact same idea, but use it for subtraction. Okay, you can change these numbers, that's fine. If you want to try to make them stronger, make it a little confusing and switch them. Because as they start making the connection with subtraction, that higher number has to go first, and they start writing these problems, it's going to make them stronger. So again, sticky notes all over the house. Go ahead, send them on their way. I have a 7 and a 1 still. You know, my high number goes first. Okay, still creating those problems and trying to get the correct answer. Still, I would use a reward system. It does encourage them. If they're working towards something, and use lots of praise. Okay. Secondly, once they get a little stronger, and this is one that you could use for even 3rd graders, 4th graders. Okay, multiplication. Something that they're going to need throughout their life are those multiplication facts. So you can put 2 numbers down here, and they have to find, I'm not going to change it, the multiplication problem. Okay, I would use those reward systems. Now, if I was in a classroom, I would probably do these on index cards. I would go ahead and have it like this. I would have my circle with my 2 at the bottom, and I would laminate it once I got this on, and that way I could have it in centers, and the kids could use dry erase markers to write their problem. They can wipe it clean as my centers rotate. Then the next group could use the same things, and I could use it over and over instead of just throwing away the papers like you would at home. Okay, I would also, as you're moving forward in a classroom setting, I would have these done as a relay. I would have them partnered up, one-on-one, and face down cards, and each team or each player is going to flip one at the same time, and the person that gets their equation and their answer correct first is going to be the winner of that round, and they would keep the cards. And you would have several made up, and then it's a game. Okay, it's a math learning game, which most students absolutely love. Okay, so that's just a way that you can do addition, subtraction, and multiplication all within the same numbers and outline. So it's 3 ideas in one. Really super easy. Starts in kindergarten, goes up to 4th and 5th grade. Okay, hopefully this helps. Not, let me know if you've done it before and it was great. Leave a comment. Let me know how it worked for you. If not, guys, I'll see you later.